So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Waze shows ads while you drive, but you can control whether those ads are personalized based on your activity or not. Turning off personalization means you will still see ads, they just won't be as relevant to you. So first and first, before even going through this, the question was how to turn off ad personalization in Waze. So to access this, we have to go through the menu, look for some settings. In today's small tutorial, I'll make sure, basically, we can do this easily and as fast as possible. Let's get started. First and first, go ahead and open the menu. Okay, the screen gonna look like this. Go ahead and tap the three line menu. As for now, we're gonna go through settings. Then you should scroll down so you can see privacy. Tap on privacy, then find the option for ad personalization and toggle it off. The setting is described as personalized ads. This makes the ads you see more relevant and useful to you based on information you have added to your Waze account. So when this turned off, you will be seeing some random ads. And also know that Waze doesn't sell your data, since according to Waze official policy, Waze doesn't sell your personal information at all. Ad personalization uses your app activity to make ads more relevant, but your data isn't sold to third parties, and that's what they all say. Anyway, so as you see here, that's the whole idea. Basically, go through the menu, look for the privacy setting, then scroll down to see your option. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.